What is the cost of you waiting to buy? Tell me if you know this person. They've been wanting to buy for years. And in 2020, when rates were really low, they decided not to buy because they weren't sure where values were going to go. And they thought that the market was going to crash. 2021, they were thinking about buying and they decided not to buy because interest rates were still a little too low. And they decided that the market was going to crash. 2022 rolls around and they're still thinking about buying a home, but they decide not to buy because interest rates are really creeping up. So it's bound to crash now, right? Or 2023, rates are at their all-time high and someone's bound to go into foreclosure. Someone's bound to cause the market to crash. So they're still not going to buy. So the truth is that the fear and the scare tactics and all of these things are stopping you, if you're that person, from just taking advantage of what opportunities lie in the market that you're in. The truth is that there's always going to be opportunities regardless of where the market is at. And if you are serious about buying a home, you need to be more concerned with what opportunity makes the most sense for my situation and not what is everyone else on the block going to do, because their situation may not even be the same as yours.